All right, so just a quick update. So I tried sanding the ring and it would work, but it looks really crappy. So I ended up printing out some new ones, and these are so much better. Where I used, I guess, Spaceman, you put in some some supports in there. I have to clean those up, but the outside is brilliantly smooth. And so that's going to be so much better. Again, I have to clean out the inside because you put braces in there, which was a really smart thing to do. So it's just a matter of just picking these guys out, probably with a razor blade or something, to get them nice and flat. I've done a couple of them. Like I did this one, and so this one fits pretty good. But I got to clean it out a little bit more. I also got, which I don't know if these are going to work, I got some thicker screws, and I've also got these. I'm going to try these out. And if these don't work, I'm going to use the thicker ones and just make the holes a little bit bigger. I think the head, well, let's try it out right here. I think the head is going to fit just fine. So let's see how deep the head goes in here. Oop. I don't know, the head doesn't fit at all. Dag. All right. Well, I can always make the hole a little bit bigger, but I really don't want to do all that work. So I'll probably end up using these guys, because these guys fit fine. Oh, they don't. Oh my God. I thought they would. Well, let's see. Where's my, oh, I don't have my, yeah, so I'm going to have to make the holes a little bit bigger anyway. So I may shoot for using the bigger screws. I'm not really sure. But that's not why I'm showing. I'm showing you the new and improved, I guess you'd call this the rotor. Yeah, the solenoid rotor. Came out really good. I was able to print them facing down like this. And these needed support. These did not. They had some stringing here on the inside, but that was no big deal. It was so much better. I should have did that on the onset. So anyway, they look good. Sorry it's taking me so long to get this thing done, man. With Christmas and looking for work and the whole 9 yards, it's just taken forever. So the next thing I'm probably going to do is clean these guys up, figure out which screws I'm going to use. I've got the magnets. I've got I put the, I glued the retainers on, the coil retainers for the wire. So that should give me a decent coil size. It's like 1/4 of an inch. That should be a decent size coil. And I ordered the wire. I think I'm going to use 28 gauge. I think it was Mr. G that said that, or maybe it was Spaceman. Not sure, but doesn't matter. I appreciate all the help from the comments from you guys. Oh, and I fixed these too. So I fixed the bearing, so there's no wiggle, no play. Put a little piece of tape around it, and then crazy glued it in. So these guys should work just fine. Yeah, these guys should work just fine. They're nice and smooth. So this guy will run on here. I never did check to see if they were the same size as the original ones, and they are. So everything will be cool. So yeah, these guys will run nice and smooth on there. Oops, nice and smooth on there. Yeah, and I'm thinking about taking one of the plate covers off to put all this together and then putting it on, because trying to put these guys through here, I mean, it can be done, but it's a little crazy. So I think I'm going to take it apart to do it. Not really sure yet. Anyway, quick update. Ciao.